Welcome to this comprehensive guide on step-by-step Monday Calm tasks. Monday Calm is a work operating system that enables teams to manage their work and automate tasks. In this tutorial, we will cover the key concepts and best practices for creating and managing tasks. On Monday Calm, first step is to create a new task. To do this, navigate to the board where you want to add the task and click on the plus icon. Then select the type of task you want to create, such as a simple task or a recurring task. Fill in the task details, including the task name, due date, and assignee. Next step is to assign the task to a team member. To do this, click on the assignee field and select the team member from the drop-down list. You can also add multiple assignees to a task if needed. Now let's talk about task status. Monday Calm allows you to create custom status columns to track the progress of your tasks. To update the task status, simply drag and drop the task to the relevant status column. Another important concept is task dependencies. Task dependencies allow you to link tasks together to create a workflow. To create a task dependency, click on the task and select the dependency option. Then select the task that this task depends on. In addition to these features, Monday Calm also allows you to add files and comments to tasks. To add a file, click on the file icon and select the file from your computer. To add a comment, click on the comment icon and type in your comment. Best practice is to keep your tasks organized and up to date. Make sure to regularly review and update your tasks to ensure they are accurate and relevant. Also use the reporting features to track the progress of your tasks and identify areas for improvement. In conclusion, creating and managing tasks on Monday Calm is a straightforward process. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your work and automate tasks. Remember to keep your tasks organized and up to date, and use the reporting features to track progress and identify areas for improvement. With Monday Calm, you can streamline your workflow and achieve your goals.